In this section, we're talking about flower gardening. And now we're going to decide, how do I plant spring, summer, fall blooming plants to have a succession of color? And is that what I want to do or not? It's fun to throw a party all year long. So you need to have flowers that bloom almost every season of the year and add color to your garden every season of the year. So in the spring, you want lots of color. So you want to intermix them with your summer blooming plants. So it's always easy. A lot of times in the fall, you'll see where your summer blooming plants are dying off. There's empty spots. So at that time is the best time to plant your spring blooming plants like tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, crocus. Anything that blooms in the spring usually you buy in the fall. At the end of the spring, when all your spring bloomers are finished blooming and they've turned brown, you can see where all the empty spots are. Vice versa, you can put your summer blooming plants in at that time, your canna lilies, your calla lilies, your crocosmias, everything else. And that way you can have color for years to come, spring through late summer to fall. The next segment, we're going to talk about mulching, when to mulch and how to mulch.